How to change email on Ring app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Ring app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the dashboard page. Now at the top left corner, you're going to find 3 bars. Click on it. Navigate to the option of account settings. Once you're in the account settings page, here you're going to find the option of email. Click on it. Now here you'll see the option of email, and at the right corner of it, you're going to find the option of update. Click on that. First, verify your identity. So go ahead and type in your password. Once you type in your password, click on continue. Now you will be receiving verification code in your phone number that is linked with your account. Type in that code over here, then click on verify code. Now type in new email address for your account. After you type in the new email address, click on change mail. With that, you'll be logged out of your Ring account. Now you have to close this. Launch your mail. Now you have to verify your mail. You will be receiving mail from the Ring. Just open that mail. Click on verify now option. Now click on login. Now you can provide your credentials. Type in your new email address. Then click on continue. Now type in your password. Then click on login. Now enter the code that you have received in your phone number. And just with that, you will be logged into your Ring account. So this is how you can easily change mail on your Ring app. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.